Hello everyone and welcome to this video. I received this gift from the awesome gentleman from where I buy some parts and accessories and phones. The same gentleman from where I bought the phones and the boxes. He sent me this gift. I mean, it was totally unexpected. I don't know what it is, so let's open up together. I'm pretty excited actually. Let's see what we have here. Moment of truth. Pam param, pam param. I really don't know what to expect. Oh my god! Oh, chargers, parts, etc. A new N82 body shell, I really needed one. And oh my god, it's an original. I already saw something interesting. Some small displays for small Nokias. Ericsson, what's this? What's this thing? Oh, an Ericsson keyboard. Awesome. Awesome. Even the user manual is this small. That's what she said. Right, so time to take everything out of the box. So we have this Ericsson keyboard, then a BlackBerry body shell, blue. Is this a Motorola, I think? Oh, the Nokia E65. It's not new, but it's in very good condition. Some headphones for appears to be Sony Ericsson, right? Oh, this is for the Nokia 3210, I think. Yeah, and for a clam phone. This is definitely an N73 back cover. I know them very well actually. Okay, well, hey there. And a very good condition body shell as well. Oh! Interesting. There's this Motorola. This is definitely a Nokia buttons. A Siemens body shell. Another LG body shell. A Sony Ericsson body shell. I already changed one of those. Another Sony Ericsson body shell. I never seen this model, S500i. An Ericsson back cover, and what kind of charger is this? Military grade? Nintendo! Oh, I don't know what this is. Another Nokia body shell. Oh, what's this? This is something pretty huge. It's a Windows body shell. So I think it's either a Palm or I don't know what model, honestly, I'm not gonna lie. Oh my god, guys! Guess what refurbishing we're going to do next? An Alcatel body shell. I think I have the small Alcatel. I will look. A battery for Siemens. No way, another one. Another one. Yeah, boy. Yes. Oh yeah, this is always nice to have. N82 body shell to put it there. Taking everything out. This is a battery charger for what? A lot of chargers here. Ooh, what's this? What's this? What's this? I may need this one. Is this an LG charger? Oh, this is for the old Apple connector. Charger for what? Oh, for multiple devices. Seriously? There was a bundle like this? A Freeman office? Seriously? I did not know this. Oh. Hey, a new Nokia body shell. Backside. Good. Is this a... Neuro translator. Is it working now? And this is a calculator. What's this? 1991. I don't know what this is. I do not know what this is, but I might look into it. Good buttons for the 6310. Put them aside. A grey one. Oh, that's so sad. No way. Do I finally have one? Oh boy, I know this. I know this. A body shell for the Nokia 2650. Oh boy, great videos coming next. Need to find some Ericsson like that now. Nokia 3210 buttons. Another Sun Ericsson S500i body shell. I need to look for the Sun Ericsson now. And a whole lot of chargers. This definitely looks like a Sony Ericsson buttons. What's this one? Oh, what is it? It has random access memory. Oh, I think this is like a some sort of PDA. 64 kilobytes RAM memory. Interesting. Is this some sort of mini computer? I will look into it. An N95 body shell. Golden color. Never seen one before. And it's new. Ferb, I know what we're going to do today. I just like that what they were saying, sorry. Just gonna help myself. Other body shells, some of the one is Nokia. Another Xenon body shell, and this is a display U600. Doesn't sound like a Nokia. Another LG body shell. This is some old tech. I remember some devices with this, but I don't know what devices. Oh, I don't have this on Ericsson yet. Another slider body shell. Easy with the display. I don't know for what this display is. Other 3310 buttons. 100 body shell. This is, I don't know for what this is. Oh, they did. Okay, this is clearly a Nokia. Don't remember for sure. Ooh, an N91 body shell, and finally a full one and original. Perfection. Back body shell for the E52. This is the slide opening mechanism for the for the 7110. Now this is definitely a Sony Ericsson charger, but I don't know for which one. Yeah, a lot of interesting chargers here. All the new. This is definitely a Sony Ericsson one. Yeah, so this is for a radio. Oh, this is definitely a Nokia charger. Yeah, this is the one that's between the older one and the newer one. You know, it's not the big one, it's a bit smaller. So, yeah, this is all I have today. I'm pretty psyched about the body shells. I wanted for so much to do this on Ericsson. Look at this new body shell, baby. Oh my god, I can't wait, I can't wait, I can't wait, I'm dying. And two of them, I'm going to look for two of them. So thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this little unboxing video. I for one I really did enjoy it. Thank you very much if you're watching. I was looking for some chargers for some of my older devices that I can't find apparently, and there's a very big chance that I may find here. So thank you again for sending me this, and thank you everybody for watching, and I hope you enjoyed my unboxing video, and see you next time. I wish you a very awesome day just like yourself. All the best. Bye bye. I have to put everything back.